tired Stickman wakes up late again. He looks at the clock, 11:30 a.m. His room is messy, his phone is full of notifications, but inside, he feels empty. He sits quietly on the chair and thinks, why is my life not changing? His eyes look tired. He slowly puts his head down on the table.
The Stickman scrolls through social media. Everyone looks successful. Someone bought a car, someone started a business, someone became famous. The Stickman feels smaller and smaller. He whispers softly, maybe I'm just not good enough. He stares at the screen silently. Slow scrolling motion. Shocked and sad face. Small sigh. Hand on forehead.
Suddenly, he turns off the phone. He looks at himself in the mirror. For the first time, he decides to change one small thing. Not tomorrow, today. He cleans the table. He opens a notebook and writes, "Start small, never stop." A tiny smile appears on his face. Stickman actions and expression. Determined eyes. Cleaning desk slowly. Writing in notebook. Small, hopeful smile. The next few days are not easy. He wakes up early, but feels tired. He studies, he exercises, he keeps trying. Some days he fails. Some days he wants to quit. But every night, he still writes one small achievement in his notebook. And slowly, he begins to believe in himself. Stickman actions and expression, push up slowly, studying at desk, sweating and tired face, writing checklist proudly. Weeks later, the Stickman is different. His room is clean. His posture is confident. His eyes shine with energy. He no longer compares himself to others. Now, he competes with the person he was yesterday. He smiles while working peacefully. Stickman actions and expression. Confident standing pose, calm smile, working on laptop, drinking water proudly. One day, the Stickman looks at the old clock again. But this time, he is awake early, focused, calm, happy. He finally understands something important. Success does not begin with money. It begins with discipline. And small steps can change an entire life. Stickman actions and expression. Looking at sunrise through window. Peaceful smile. Standing confidently near desk. Deep, calm breathing motion.